What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another cocktail video. And today's cocktail, my friends, is the Frozen Limoncello Drop, and I will show you guys how to make it. So if life is giving you lemons, make a cocktail. That is my motto. So what we're going to do is get our blender, put some ice cubes and put in our ingredients. So it will be vodka, limoncello, fresh lemon juice and lemonade. How simple is that? 4 ingredients, and this is so refreshing. Let's get straight into it. First ingredient is 150ml or 5 ounces of lemonade. Next is 30ml or 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Next is 60ml or 2 ounces of limoncello. And last but not least, 2 ounces or 60ml of vodka. So put your lid on, put your head on, and let's blend right into it. The final thing to do now is strain into it. What we do now is just give it a nice little garnish. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, 1 Frozen Limoncello Drop. How does it taste? And there we have it, 1 Frozen Limoncello Drop. How does it taste? If life is giving you lemons, have a Frozen Limoncello Drop and it will soon improve. That is absolutely beautiful. We'll see the positives in life. That is absolutely beautiful. That is 9 out of 10. I absolutely recommend it, especially on a nice summer's day. The Frozen Limoncello Drop. And if you like a limoncello, I recommend this recipe for you. And I think with the amount that we've got left over, we could probably make 2 of these. So with the Frozen Limoncello Drop, what stands out to me is the limoncello and the lemon juice. Because it's very tangy, but it's absolutely refreshing, especially when mixed in with the lemonade and vodka. They both complement each other. It's not overpowering with bitterness in this at all. As I think I've just got the balance right. Because if it's to do perfect, I'd probably put a bit more limoncello in it. That'd be my only complaint, which is why I will give this a 9 out of 10. But for the mixed score, it's a 9 out of 10. I love this cocktail, I like this recipe, and I've never had it before. Cheers. And if you're new around here, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more cocktail videos like this, and I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.